now we're going to be choosing the cartridge for your pen. Okay, I'm going to start off. I've selected the right work plane as a sketch. I've drawn what's going to be an axis for a revolve. I've drawn that axis 130 millimeters long. I'm going to take my line tool. I'm just going to connect to that end node there, and I'm going to extend up, and I want this to be extended at a distance of 1.5 millimeters. Okay, now if I double click, I can then just enter my value straight in there. Yeah, like so. I can then take this tool. I've still got the line tool selected. I can continue, and I'm going to go straight across here, and I'm going to make this one here a distance of 115. I'm going to go vertical up. I want this to be a distance of 0.5. And I'm going to just now go across here. I think it's a distance of 5 millimeters. Single click's fine. I said double click, but single click is fine. You can enter your values as you go, is what I'm saying. And then what I want to do is that's 1.5. That's 0.5. That makes 2. That means that when I rotate, this is a distance of 4. So I'm going to go up here a distance of just 1 millimeter. And then I'm going to connect to the tip, just like so. Yeah, got a little bit more work to do on this. Just bear with me, okay? Stick with me. We're going to get this done. I'm going to take my center point circle, and I'm going to go just about here. Doesn't have to be exact, okay? I'm just going to draw what will be the ballpoint tip of my pen. A line there. Let's see. We could round that up. Let's make that now 0.1 in diameter. Oops, that's a bit too small. Control Z. We'll leave it as it is. Take your line tool. I am going to dissect straight across. And I'm going to take my, whoops, I want to keep that line tool on. And I'm going to go, no, I'll change that for a rectangle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a divider straight in here like so. And I'm just going to get my trim tool. There it is, pair of scissors to trim off some of the excess, the stuff I don't want to remain. So don't need that, don't need that, that. Let's take I want to take a line straight across here and trim. The important bits, the important values are the ones that I've added here. When I say values, those sizes. Okay, so this needs to be 0.5. This here needs to be 1. And this, the overall width of the cartridge is 1.5 mil. So that when we rotate it, yeah, we rotate it 360 degrees, that'll be 3 mil, and this will add up to be 4, and that'll add up to be 6. Yeah, so we're all done there. It's all joined up because I can see it's got a darker grey on the inside there. I'll accept that. Then all I'm going to do is go to the revolve, take the face, take the axis. There we go. There's the cartridge of your pen. I'll accept that. Now what you might want to do, spend a little bit of time just using your appearances. We'll add a colour to the pen. We'll have this actual part, the feature. We're going to have the very tip. I'm going to make it a green pen. Yeah. I'm going to take this area here. I'll accept that. Then I'm going to take, so let's accept that. Then I'm going to take this area here, and I want that to have a kind of bronzy kind of look to it. Not the whole thing. Just want this face, and this. We will choose another colour. So look what we got. Maybe something like, I'll go with this here. Yeah. Zoom out again, and then I'm going to fill it up. Accept that there. I need to fill this with some green ink. Let's go here, take my ink, green pen, here's the cartridge, ready to fit to the actual barrel. We've now just got 2 more components to complete. That would be the lid and the end cap. Okay, great stuff, folks. Get this done ASAP. Boom.